Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Project DIY. So I'm doing a little project here where I put the tiles in here in the kitchen. The outlet is now sunk in basically, and when you put the plates it won't reach it anymore, and look how bad it looks. Well, you can't even put the little screw there, much less to even use it. So I went to Lowe's or Home Depot, as you will, and got this little like box extender for the outlet, whatever they call it. And actually when you pick them up, it's actually this deep, but as you can see I don't need it to be this deep. So what I did, I used a little Dremel tool and I cut it out just to the depth that I actually needed. So yeah, I was about to replace this and I thought I'll make a video about it, and people might want to know how to put this on, even though it's a very easy little project to do. Alright, so let's get to it. And also, you want to use the included screws that comes with it. These are longer, so you can reach in the back there. Alrighty, let's get to it. Alrighty, so as you can see, this plastic, what it basically does, it doesn't let it go further back in, so it's nice and almost flush with the tile here. And all you do now is put this in, and yeah, it's so much better. It's not there 100%, probably because I cut it a little bit too short, but it's much better than it used to be. So yeah, that's it. Just a little quick tip on how to deal with sunken in sockets on tiles, wall tiles like this. So if you like this video, like, share it, and I appreciate it for watching. Thank you.